Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are looking how to create a new label on your WhatsApp business app. For that, just open the WhatsApp business app and go to the settings option. Go to the option business tools right here and just scroll down. You can see an option labels. So go to the option labels and here you can create new labels on your WhatsApp business app. You can add any labels and just save it. So here we can see there's a new label has been uploaded. So just you can see here new label is added. So this is how we are creating a new label on your WhatsApp business app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.